Wow.
This is FYIO, for your information only.
Ito ay parang tubig na may maliliit na alon. Nagkakamali kayo mga kaibigan. Ito po ang napakagandang tanawin ay ang buhanginan po ng beach ng Ballesteros, Cagayan. Ayan ha, with the rolling waves ng karagatan. Trying to kiss, of course, yung napakagandang buhanginan. Good. There. Now, let's have another look. Wow, you can just figure out it's some kind of a rippling water without shadow there. No? Then we try to have a further look. It's a blue sky, cloudless sky meeting the sea. Okay? Beautiful beach. And we are very proud of this. Kaya we try to protect ang ating dalampasigan. Napakaganda. Makeshift shirt.